So I got a comment from a previous video about Kahoot, like if Kahoot system has a jumble system, like a reshuffle system for the questions. And actually, when Kahoot updated, I also thought that that system was gone, that feature was gone. But then you just have to be curious enough to check all the buttons, like which one can make the questions at random. So if you have made your quizzes already, then good, let's use that one and you want it randomized. For example, if you want another review about that quiz, then instead of using the same sequence, then have it at random. So if you haven't made any quizzes yet, I want you to click the other video, which you will see at the end of this video or at the link in the description box. So know first how to make quizzes before you continue playing this video, because it will be a lot easier to understand if you have made your quiz already. And this will be an additional information about how to make your quizzes better. If you have made your quiz already, now it's time for you to learn how to make it at random, and it's actually quite easy. So what you need to do is just log in, go to your Kahoots here and look at your Kahoots, and basically you just click play. And then you click teach here, and it's very tricky to look for that button, because actually I think the design here is kind of like making you think less of clicking that option. Okay, so we have here the title, the different modes, which are in different colors, green and blue. So the focus would be this one, this middle section. So you won't even notice that, yeah, you can click the game options because it's like using the same color with the title. So it's like it doesn't have any function, but it does. Surprise! So yeah, so you have here game options. Before clicking classic and team mode, you can have game options and make your Kahoots better according to your style. So here you can have this. You just click and toggle it on or off if you wanted personalized learning, friendly nickname generator, because some kids would make names that are rude or make names that are PG-13, parental guidance. And then you can have a reggae lobby music, and ta-da! You can have the randomized order of answers or the randomized order of questions. So here you can have, these are the randomized buttons you can use, randomized features rather, you can use to make your codes better. Then, if you're finished like using the game options and you've customized your Kahoot, then you can click which mode you're gonna play with. So I'll just choose classic for now. So you just click classic and then the game starts and everything would be at random because you've toggled, oops, I'm sorry, because you've tackled the correct randomized button. So yeah, enjoy, and if you have questions, type in the comments below.